Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation we're going to talk about an important key point. This key point is rounding numbers to a given significant figure. Now you can round numbers to a given significant or a given number of significant figures, which we call SF. The first significant figure is the one with the highest place value. It is the first non-zero digit in the number, and we count from the left. So we don't start counting with a zero. But if the zero is in the middle, we can count it. Now let's take a look at the question so we understand it more. In this question, round these numbers to the given number of significant figures. We have A, B, C. Let's work on them one question by another. Let's take a look at A. In question A, he wants us to round 47.368 to 4 significant figures. It means we're going to count 4 numbers and take a look at the fifth number. If the fifth number is less than 5, we put a 0 instead of it. But if it's more than 5, we put a 0, but we add 1 to the fourth one. Let's do the steps together. So let's count first. We need 4 significant figures. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the fifth number, which is this one, is bigger than 5. Because it's bigger than 5, we're going to add 1 to the one before it. And it's going to be 7. So when we write the answer, it's going to be like this. It's going to be 4, 7, decimal point, 3, 7. And 0 instead of the fifth number. Now, this is how you answer this question. Let's take a look at B. In question B, he wants this number rounded to one significant figure. Now, as we said, we don't count the zeros, but we have to write them. So first we write the zeros like this, and then the first significant figure is this one. We look at the one after it, it's more than 5, so we add 1 to the one before it. So it's gonna be, very good, 7. And then we put 0 instead of the other numbers. This is how you answer this question. Now let's take a look at C. In question C, he wants this number rounded to 2 significant figures. How do we do this? Same idea. Now, 2 significant figures, let's count them together. We have 1, 2. And then we take a look at the third one. It's more than 5, so we add 1 to the one before it. Same idea. If it's less than 5, we just put a 0 instead of it. Now, when we write the answer, we write it like this. We have 5, and then 8, because this is a 9, and then we put 0 instead of these numbers. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.